Hi guys, it's Kirby. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're just doing some makeup. I have no plan because I actually have to dye my hair, but I am gonna have to bleach it and stuff first and hop in the shower. So I thought, what if we just did like a fun makeup look before I had to go and like actually do all the work of bleaching my hair and laminating my eyebrows and doing all the like beauty maintenance things I have to do today, or rather this weekend. So I thought we would just have some fun and do like a colorful look. And multi-chromes have been everywhere recently. I own a few myself, but I have this one multi-chrome from Give Me Glow Cosmetics that I got a while ago. I did a video on my Give Me Cosmetics haul because they were doing a sale because they changed their pan sizes. But this is called Mermaid Waters. And it is this like blue-greeny shift of a multi-chrome, duochrome goodness, like shimmer goodness. And I'm just like really feeling that today. I also want to use this eye primer from Sunset Makeup. This is in the shade 4. It's like this tealy, seafoamy color. I'm also in my sweater today because it is 90 degrees outside. Not over 90 degrees outside, but it is freezing inside of my house. So that's where we're at. Okay. I've already done my foundation and my eyebrows and stuff, so first we're going to take that Sunset number 4 eye primer and we're just going to tap that lightly kind of like all over the lid and blend it out just to give us that colorful base. The Sunset Makeup eye primers go like a crazy long way, so you don't need a lot of them. Next, I'm actually going to go into my Blend Bunny Cosmetics Blends palette, and I'm going to use 32, which is this like middle teal shade, or emerald shade? No, it's teal, maybe. But yeah, 32, and then maybe a little bit of Submerged, which is like the darker shade with it, and kind of define the eye a little bit more. And if you're like me and you have a hooded crease or like a semi-hooded crease, or you have like a lot of lid transfer, you know that you have to take that shade, that like powder shade above the crease so that you can actually see it. Then I'm going to go into Bubble Bath, which is that like lightest shade, and I'm just going to kind of like blend that out a little bit with a big crease brush. Soften up the edges. And then I'm going to take Submerged on the outer corner. Look at how pretty that color is. So gorgeous. Now we're going to go in with, what was this shade called again? Mermaid Waters. We're going to go in with that Mermaid Waters color, and we're going to put it on basically my whole lid. We might cover up a lot of what we just did, but I really don't care because I love this like blue, purpley, green shift. And I'm just going to stick it on with my finger. Look at how gorgeous that looks. Like, I don't honestly think the camera is doing it justice. We're gonna clean this up a little bit. We're gonna clean up underneath. Even though we'll probably end up putting that underneath the eye, I want like my concealer to have like a nice clean situation. Up a little bit on the edges. Okay, we're gonna finish the face and then come back to finish the lower lash line. Okay, a million years later, because I could not for the life of me pick out a lip color, and also it took me forever to put these lashes on because I haven't worn lashes in months because I'm not going anywhere. And like, if you're not going anywhere, I just don't want to bother with the lashes. I have so many. And honestly, if you're paying any more than like $1.25 for lashes, Ioni, Dollar Tree, they sell online as well sometimes when they release bundles. You guys, get on the Ioni lashes because they're amazing, they're affordable, foam ink, like, let's be clear, they're the best lashes out there. So if you are paying anything more than what Ioni is selling their lashes for, you're overpaying. So anyways, here's the top of the eye, and I think all that I want to do is take some of that shimmer and this Mermaid Waters and put it on my lower lash line. Because why not? I mean, it looks good without anything on the lower lash line, but if you've been here for a moment, you know that I like have to put something on the lower lash line. Just because. And then I think I want to put white in the waterline, which I'm using the Sunset Makeup eyeliner. Our neighbors are getting their trees trimmed. And then some mascara. Boom. Done. This is the look. But yeah, here is the look. Look at this. Look at this eyeshadow, you guys. I cannot. The Gimme Glow Cosmetics, what was this? Foiled Press Pigment in Mermaid Waters. Foiled Press Pigment in Mermaid Waters. Look at this. Look at this. It's amazing. I love it. I am obsessing over this. I'm obsessing over this. I love it. I will link it down in the description box below. I don't know. I think they'll still sell it, but just in a different pan size. Oh, it's gorgeous. It's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. Making all of my mermaid fantasies come true. I just got mascara all over my bottom lower lash line, like right there. That's okay. That's okay. We'll clean it up. Again, I'm not going anywhere. I'm just dyeing my hair. So yeah, let me know what you think of this look, what you thought of the shadow. I love it. I've been getting more into like the independent brands like Gimme Glow, Sunset Makeup, Blend Bunny Cosmetics. I just made a purchase from Lethal Cosmetics. Do you have any indie brands that you like stand, like they're your #1 ride or dies, like you're never gonna shop anywhere else but that indie brand? There's a couple of others on my list that I want to try, but you know, I'm always looking for a recommendation. What do you think? What do you think? Let me know down in the comment section below. I will list all of the products that I use down in the description box below, so if you're interested in them, you can check them out on your own time. I personally love it. It's giving me everything that I want and more. So yeah, anyways, if you enjoyed this video, give it a big old thumbs up. As always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on any more videos. Thanks so much for watching, guys.